Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be covering only one cryptocurrency altcoin on our list, and it's going to be Polygon. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing Polygon, what Polygon is, the price action of a Polygon right now, how it's been performing in the past, 24 hours, the past week, the month, and then obviously on the 1 year chart as well, how the market cap is being affected, how the whole cryptocurrency is affecting it, and how Polygon will affect the crypto space in the future as well, and the price action that we're predicting for the next year and also the next 5 years for Polygon. So let's check it out, guys. So right now the coin is up about 25%, as you guys can see, trading at $2.12. The market cap on the coin is 12.9 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 7.3 billion. Now in the past week it's down about 14%, and then in the 1 month chart 450% higher. So it's up 450% on the 1 month chart, and then on the 1 year chart it's up about 8,000%. Now, what is Polygon is going to be your next question, right? So Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a multi-chain scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. So that might sound like a bunch of gibberish to you, but pretty much it's telling you how fast Polygon can perform and what it does. So right here, if we take a look, some news actually that came out in the past 48 hours or so. Mark Cuban invests in Ethereum layer 2 Polygon. And here's a quote that they said from Cuban, said in an email: "I was a Polygon user and find myself using it more and more." So let's take a look at this article right here. Billionaire investor Mark Cuban has made an investment in Polygon, a layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution. Now, Cuban confirmed the investment in an email to CoinDesk, but would not disclose its size or composition. Now, the price of MATIC, the native token of Polygon, is up more than 9,535% year to date, according to Masari, which is, huge gains right there. Now, with decentralized finance, DeFi, and other projects going live on Polygon, users have increasingly turned to the platform to escape the high transaction fees of the Ethereum mainnet, and that is what we're talking about right there, guys. Polygon's, transaction fees are way lower compared to, these other coins, and that is where Polygon might be benefiting in the future. It's also a greener coin. We're using less money, less power compared to Bitcoin. Obviously, you guys know that Elon Musk said that they will not be accepting Bitcoin for the Tesla vehicles anymore because they use too much energy and too much power, coal, different types of things like that, and he wants a more greener coin, and Polygon could definitely be a greener coin. It's way more greener if you guys take a look at all the statistics compared to Bitcoin, and that's a positive thing for us, guys. And before we get into the rest of this article and obviously the price action of Polygon and seeing the charts, smash that like button, guys. It truly does help the channel out. It helps, the YouTube algorithm as well. So smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes in this video. If you guys want to see more coverage of other coins, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency should I be talking about in the next video? What cryptocurrency should I cover? And then right here, the next thing they say is he said he's also integrating it into Lazy.com, a Cuban portfolio company that allows people to easily display non-fungible tokens, NFTs. And you guys know all about NFTs because they were very hot at the beginning of 2021. Now, we have spoken to many investors, but the discussion with Mark Cuban was truly mind-blowing. That is what the Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nalwal told CoinDesk via Telegram. Now, Polygon was listed on Cuban's website Tuesday as one of its holdings. If we take a look down here, they even had a tweet. So Polygon tweeted, M. Cuban is one of the most prolific and insightful investors with investments in the top startups, and he is also one of the sharks on ABC Shark Tank, obviously. And he says, "We're proud to share that Polygon is now part of the Mark Cuban company portfolio." So if you guys actually visit right here, you guys will see Mark Cuban companies, and Polygon is one of them. So that is amazing to see that Polygon is one of the coins that is on this list now. This could definitely drive more people to follow into the Polygon space, I guess you could say. I think a lot more people are going to start getting into Polygon and looking at the price action of Polygon. It's continuing to rise. I mean, when we first discussed this coin on our channel, I believe the coin was trading at around 30 or 40 cents, and that was about a month and a half ago. And now we hit highs of I believe the other day at around 240, 250 at one point, which was just insane gains. And even after we saw that market crash, the flash crash, this coin has still recovered very quickly. As we can see right now, it's still rising as we speak, currently trading at $2.12, up about 28.3%. Now, if we take a quick look here on the 5-day chart, obviously we see some things. So it pulled back down to lows down here, and we were trading at around 78 cents at one point. That was the low here on 523. Then we continue to see it go higher and higher and higher. We hit highs up here about $1.96, so we didn't break through that $2 resistance from the past. As you guys can see right here, we consolidated for a little bit we kept bouncing back and forth in this 160 to 190 range, and then we saw this breakthrough and breakout in the past few hours go from this 165 cents area all the way to over $2.13, and that's just in a matter of a few hours. Now if we take a look here at the 1 month chart to see how it's performing as well, you guys can see it was trading down here at under 53 cents at one point. Then it pretty much traded here for a while, for a few weeks actually, in the 80 cents area, and then we saw it bump on higher and higher as it got more momentum. Then we saw here when Elon Musk announced that it wasn't accepting Bitcoin anymore for Teslas, and we saw it jump from 170 all the way to highs to about 268 or so. And then obviously we saw that flash crash pull it all the way down here to lows of about 74 cents. And obviously now in the past 3 or 4 days, we're seeing this trend on up, which is a positive sign, obviously. In the past 3 months, like we said, this coin was down here trading in the 30s and 40s. And that's when we were talking about it about a month ago on this channel. We, talked about Polygon, saying how it had potential. And we saw it go from 40 cents to highs of about 245, which is insane right there. 500% gains that we saw. Now with this pullback, this was a great dip buying opportunity in my opinion for Polygon, as I think it has a lot more room to grow. We saw it explode from that area down there, and it's already almost at all-time highs once again. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Polygon making new highs in the next couple of days going into the weekend. Memorial Day weekend, we might see some more price action, especially since the stock market is closed for 3 days because of the holiday. More people might be getting to the crypto space, and we might see a little bit of a bull run, which could potentially help MATIC, also known as Polygon, run up higher. So this is definitely an interesting to see from my point of view, obviously, as Polygon is one of our favorite coins on the channel, and we definitely like to see these indications that are going in the right direction. So we broke through the previous resistance here at around 170, 180 area. We broke through it, and now we seem like we're going to be making new highs up here, like we said. As we've broken through that $2 range now. We're almost at $2.15 as we speak, guys, which is amazing to see with Polygon. I think that this coin, in my opinion, obviously, I think it's going to be trading at around $3, potentially $3.50 by the end of 2021, which gives us about a 50 to 100% gain almost, depending on what happens in the whole crypto space. So I wouldn't be surprised for it to reach the $3 level, maybe even the $4 level, but it might be a little bit overpriced or overvalued at that point. A lot of people are saying crazy prices like $10 per coin, maybe 5 years out or 10 years out, but I don't think we're going to hit any of those crazy prices in the near term. But we could see it reach that $3 or $3.50 range in the next couple of months, especially if this bull run continues to go and Bitcoin pulls everything up. Because you guys know, as the large cap coins pull everything up, the mid cap coins follow, and then the small cap coins, altcoins, pretty much pull back, and go higher as well. So definitely something interesting to add to your radar and see how it's going to perform in the near future, guys. Now, if we take a look, obviously, here on their website, so scalable and instant blockchain transactions. So people always say, why MATIC? Well, it's decentralized app that are making huge progress, but the current blockchain ecosystem is not prepared to scale as the per demand. Now, the issue of slow block confirmation and high gas fees need to be solved before we target mass adoption by mainstream users. And most importantly, it needs an awesome, user experience. So we aim to change that by simplifying the interaction between users in the decentralized world. We want to make interaction with the decentralized ecosystem so easy that anyone can do it without worrying about the complexity of the system, which is, great to see. Now, if we see right here, the MATIC features, they have scalability. So scalability is realized by using a decentralized plasma operator mechanism with finality achieved on a main chain. And then if we look here, high throughput now can scale to millions of transactions on a sidechain tree architecture, up to 75,000 transactions per second on a single MATIC chain, which is amazing. The user experience, smooth UX abstraction from main chain to MATIC chain, native mobile apps and SDK with a wallet connect support. So it's very fast, which is another positive thing. Then we have security, which is definitely a key thing. The MATIC chain operators are themselves stakers and delegates in a proof of stake system in the MATIC network. Asset interoperability. Now, assets on different sidechains across various blockchains will be made, interoperable by MATIC network in the near future. And then one-stop DeFi platform, multiple protocols enabling extensive decentralized finance applications can be hosted on MATIC sidechains. So, MATIC is just an amazing coin overall. You guys can trade it obviously on Coinbase, Binance as well. They have it. We're a big fan of Coinbase and Binance. Those are the places you guys can trade Polygon, and you could see, how the price action is going to be going in the next few weeks and the next few months, and as well as the next few years. So obviously, if you guys enjoy this type of content, I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks, links are going to be in the description for that. If you guys want to sign up for our Patreon or our YouTube membership, check that out as well. I want you guys to leave a comment below letting me know what cryptocurrency you want me to talk about in the next video. We can do this, one by one. We'll cover different cryptocurrencies as long as you guys want to see that on the channel. If not, we'll continue doing the top, 3, top 4, top 5 cryptocurrencies on the channel. So leave a comment below letting me know that, that as well. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.